This video is dedicated to all the moms either working professional or working as a stay at home mom. Well, how do you like this title? Stay at home mom. It's winter holidays here in UAE, so both our daughter and I are spending good quality time these days. From waking up late in the morning to having late breakfast and lunch, the entire schedule is spoiled. I am actually loving it. Preparing milk for her and tea for myself. Continuing to my topic of the day. These days, the Housewife's title has been labeled as a new title called Stay at Home Mom. After all, we are staying at home and not working at a firm, basically, not working outside the house, so I think this term is justified. She loves to draw and paint and can't sit still, and that's why her paintings and colors are spread all over the place, even on the dining table. I am cleaning the utensils and doing some preparations for lunch in advance. Planning to cook dal chawal in today's menu, that's why soaking up dal and chawal for some time before cooking. It is considered as a healthy habit. I am making seating arrangements for her to play with her toys and to soak some sunlight. Not direct, but this much is also sufficient. When she was taking shower, she has demanded to have cheese sandwiches in the breakfast, and so am I doing, but with little changes in that. I am using some veggies for healthy breakfast and going to fill in the sandwiches along with the cheese. She does not like the big chunks of vegetables. That's why I am finally chopping them in my little helper chopper. So I was discussing about stay at home mom. Basically, when the term housewife has started to seem old or outdated, a new title has been crowned for all the women to be happy and proud as homemaker. Because we do everything that runs our home and family wants. And after the term homemaker also became old fashioned, it has transitioned to the new title as stay at home mom. Personally, I like any title. After all, the job is same. However, I do agree that the title or name has a significant meaning. I miss her morning playtime so much from the day she has started going to school. I actually miss these activities of my squirrel, but education is most important, and these are actually phases of life. Continuing to my topic of the day. It really depends on what our priorities are. Some women choose to play the role of a stay at home mom to take care of children and household chores, and some choose to work outside the home, like in banks, offices, college, school, etc. But believe me, the role of a mother will still remain the same, and no one can replace mother's work. I am glad that today she has finished up her breakfast and now preparing the lunch and cleaning the platform, which has become a bit dirty due to bread pieces. Also putting the things at their own places. I'm doing some other chores like cleaning up the kitchen. Instead of piling up the utensils and washing in one go, I prefer to clean them as soon as they become dirty. I like to cook the rice in this way. One can cook them in pressure cooker also. Having fruits is a healthy habit and I prefer to give them to my daughter in daytime. I avoid giving her fruits after the evening. It's been a while since she played, so I thought I would make a change. So now I'm going to teach her, but in a fun way, not by putting pressure on her. And she is also loving to do this practice. Meanwhile, I am doing my tasks also.
No, no, no. This is what? Let it go for them. No, what will come after 8? Start from 8 only. 8, 9. Then, write down. 11, 12, 13. Write 3. Down. First write down 1, then 3. Okay? 9. Write down here.
Give me star.
Okay, I give you star.
This is very nice.
Yes. I give you heart also, okay? 5, 4, 5,
No,
6.
I told you to write 6.
I recall the time when we used to expect good, very good, excellent types of rewards after completing the classwork or homework. But nowadays kids want star, hearts, smileys, these types of signs. How times and everything change, no?
No, that it look like black.
Okay. You don't want black color?
I want.
Lunch is ready, but my daughter is not hungry right now, so she wants to do some drawing. Needless to say, this is her favorite activity, as you have seen it in my previous videos, and she wants me to engage in it too.
Oh, wow, cute, cute. Now it's playing. Now play. Auntie, I won't win. I want to
Okay, but first finish your food and then.
She has refused to sleep this afternoon and has agreed to eat lunch on this condition. I also agreed today because we all need to be a little flexible with kids sometimes, but not always. Soon it became evening, and this is how I spent a very lovely time with my daughter today, which has now become a memory, and I will always cherish this memory with my daughter. At this moment, I take a leave now and see you next week. Please consider subscribing Abode Diaries.